What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I just was thinking the other day, I gave y'all my top 10 sneakers of 2024, my top 5 SBs of 2024. I just wanted to put a recap and close on 2024. So I said, how about the top 10, well, not top 10, because I'm tired of the top. I'm tired of the lists. My head hurt. How about the best sneaker collabs of 2024? You see the undefeated Air Max joint here. This is years ago, maybe 5 years ago. But it's been some dope collabs with sneakers over the years. Last year it came late in the game, but that Power Puff collab was something dope. I know it came like late last week of the year, but this collab was dope. So in this video, I'm going to put together some of the collabs I thought were like super dope to me, man. But before we do that, let's hit a B-roll of some of the best collabs we've seen in recent memory. All 5. Chanel Abney joints, man. One of the dopest collabs of 2024 in my opinion, man. I didn't even know this sneaker was coming. I didn't even know I needed this sneaker. This is super dope, man. Again, y'all know how much I feel about Kobe. The girl dad joints, I get it. But this did that green better. I think it was the orange, but super dope. The Nike Air logo that I love so much is draped in that wet grass off-white matte joint. It's just super dope. The rope laces, man. This was a dope collab for 2024. Mama and Ye, the While You Was Sleeping pack, the Jordan 4s, the Jordan 3s, the Air Force 1s, the Air Max. Dope collab. I think underwhelmed, but dope collab. But I do love these 3s, man. Mama and Ye, they get a pass from me. They came with some dope stuff for years to come. So even though the While You Was Sleeping pack I kind of off on, they did give me these, and I love these. The next dope collab I want to give flowers to is the Balvin Jordan 3s. It didn't make none of my top 10 lists or anything. It was a dope collab. I just felt like it didn't measure up to the Balvin Jordan 1s. And today, this year, saying anything good about a Jordan 1 is kind of hard because Jordan 1s are on a decline. But when these dropped, this was super dope. The Jordan 2s didn't add up. The Jordan 3s was dope. The sandy color was way better than the pair that came out last year, but still dope collab, and I got to give it its flowers. But this was a time to be alive. And you can't have a collaboration without Travis Scott. At this point in time, I don't even know if it's still called a collaboration because they've been collaborating for a lot of years. And every time they come out, no matter how wild the color, no matter how similar the color, they sell out. We go crazy. So another dope collab was the Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. The Cactus Jack joints is a Cactus Jack, is a Travis Scott sneaker. So I guess that's a collab to the Jumpman joints. So I guess we could talk about that too, but I'm focusing on these right now. Just for a little nostalgia. Y'all remember these? Yeah, classic time, man. Real quick, I just want to count down some sneakers that I thought was a dope collab, but I didn't cop. The Marvel A6 Kith joint, super dope. If y'all rock with me, y'all remember when I got that exclusive Wolverine pack. Now we got to get to opening it up. The card is in here, but I don't want to look at the card because the card might give away what's going on. So I don't even want to look at the card, guys. Either colorway or Wolverine, I'm happy for it. And it's open, guys. I'm gonna close my eyes and let y'all see first what's going on. Is it a yay or nay, guys? Yeah! When Marvel first did the Kith A6 joint, but that Spider-Man Venom box thing, that was super dope. The Bacala New Balance joints. I don't wear New Balance, guys. Sometimes I cop them to, show y'all reviews. But that was super dope. Joe Fresh Goods, they did their thing also with New Balance this year. But that's just a few I watched from afar. And with that being said, not the Flying Monkeys, man. The Wizard of Oz SB Dunk is one of the best collabs of the year for sneakers. Again, just like the Powerpuff Girls, came in the last quarter, dog. 2 minutes left. But with it, look at the poppy feel. Just look at the poppy feel, guys. Extra soles. This is a one-of-a-kind collab that people gonna look back on and wish they gave it more love. The sneakers selling for like $150. Check with me next year this time. Let's see where the price at. Yeah, gotta be one of the most iconic collabs for sneakers of the year. Not the most popular shoe, the most iconic collab. This $50,000 Wu-Tang Dunk High came back out last year, guys. And we didn't show it no love. But to be honest, a lot of sneakers ain't getting love this year, man. I mean last year. Not like nothing. It was a lot of sitting going on, but I gotta appreciate this collab, man. If you know what Wu-Tang means to culture, to rap, to fashion, now Method Man's acting, this is a good collab. My sneaker of the year, my dunk of the year, the Verdy Beasties was a fire collab, man. That guy just makes fire collabs. From Kenzo, Girls Don't Cry. He's just dope, man. And the Verdys, man, this is a special collab. Look at the hang tag, guys. This is a dope collab. Also, I gotta give love to the Futura. That's a dope collab. I didn't cop. The white scared me off, but that was a dope collab for the sneaker community also. I mean, in any year, right? Like, in any year, this is going to be up there. Any year this drops, this is going to be up there. Just a little bit more nostalgia for you guys. And we can't forget the trophy room joints, man. I know a lot of people don't like to show trophy room no love after that Jordan 1 debacle. I'm one of them. I'm people. But this was fire, man. Came with a card. Well, it didn't come with this card. I brought this one. But it's made after a card. These yellow laces just take it from 10 to 20, if you ask me. Michael Jordan's signature, satin around the toes, gold emblem. This is one of the dopest collabs of 2024. Another special and dope collab was the CPFM Air Force One joints. We seen it before, but the new two colorways, the moss and the fuchsia pink, dope, man. The black and white we seen before. I had all of them. I showed y'all, but I'm just not an Air Force One guy. But that don't make it not a special collab. Not really a sneaker, but I'm gonna show it some love. Salih Ben Berry's been bodying things this year, from New Balance to Crocs, right? That's it. New Balance, Crocs. Yeah, man. But super dope, man. I don't even wear things like this, man. I just brought it because it was a dope collab, and I felt like it was special, man. You see, I don't even wear things like this. But the slides do get a lot of rock with me. Yes, sir, man. So thanks for rocking with me, man. I'm your boy C Notes. I appreciate you guys. I know I missed a few, man. 365 days is a long time. Comment section below. Let me know what y'all think I missed out on and what was some of y'all best collabs of the year. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.